Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a staff meeting memorandum. What is a staff meeting memorandum? A memo, or also known as a memorandum, or reminder, is used for internal communications regarding procedures or official business within an organization about staff meeting. Unlike an email or letter, a memo is a message you send to a large group of employees, like your entire department or everyone at the company. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a memorandum for staff meeting. First of all, you can write the date. Write the month, date, and year. After that, write the one who wrote this memorandum. You can mention the full name only, or also the title or department. And write to whom this memorandum is written. In this case, is to all accounting staff. And then, write the subject of the memo. In this case, the subject is about mandatory staff meeting. In the first paragraph, mention the date of the meeting as well as the time. Here, write the month, date, year, time started and ended. And also, you need to mention a bit what the meeting is about. In this case, it is about a new installation of accounting system. In the second paragraph, write whether all staff must attend or not. And close it with thank you. Writing a memo should be short and go to the point, as this how memo works.